This is the story of how Charles sold his tenant-trashed Piney Flats, Tennessee rental as is, done with landlording, too much work, and a clean exit he was ready for. He was so sick of dealing with it and didn't have it in him to fix it up again and start over. Favor Home Solutions made an offer and didn't make him jump through any hoops. Here's how it happened. Charles had been a landlord in Piney Flats, Tennessee long enough to know when a property had become more trouble than it was worth. His rental had been through a run of tenants who didn't take care of it, and the last ones left the place in genuinely rough condition. Holes in walls, damaged flooring, broken fixtures, filth throughout. The kind of damage that goes beyond cosmetic and starts eating into structural surfaces and systems. Charles walked through the property after they left and arrived at the same conclusion a lot of landlords reach eventually. He was done. The problem wasn't just the emotional toll of dealing with irresponsible tenants. It was the financial reality staring him down. Bringing the property up to a condition where it could be listed, or even rented again at a reasonable rate, would have required a significant renovation investment. New flooring, drywall repairs, deep cleaning, appliance replacements, and likely plumbing and electrical work neglected over years of tenancy. Charles had been through the cycle before. Spend money to fix it up, find new tenants, hope they take better care of it. He wasn't interested in running that cycle again. And listing with a real estate agent wasn't a clean option. A property in that condition would either need extensive repairs before any agent could show it to conventional buyers, or it would sit on the market attracting lowball offers and financing contingent deals that fall apart at inspection. Neither appealed to a man who'd already spent years managing a property he'd grown to resent. So Charles reached out to Favor Home Solutions and described the situation plainly: the tenant damage, the deferred maintenance, the condition the property was in. He asked whether they'd buy a rental in that state without requiring him to fix anything first. The answer was yes. Tired landlords are exactly who they work with. They buy rentals across Piney Flats and all of Tennessee, any condition, no repairs. From there, it was the clean exit he'd been ready for. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer on the property as it stood, damaged flooring, trashed walls, and all. Then there were no repair requirements, no remediation conditions, and no contingencies built in to give them a reason to walk away once they saw inside. And finally, the sale closed on his timeline. Here's what Charles walked away with. The rental sold completely as is: holes, damaged flooring, broken fixtures, filth and all, with nothing to fix or clean. He got out of landlording for good, no more problem tenants, no more repair bills. And it was a clean exit, cash in hand, the burden lifted for good. Look at the numbers. $0 put into a property he was done with. 0 hoops to jump through. Favor Home Solutions took the rental exactly as it sat and closed on his timeline. And the cycle Charles was so tired of running finally ended. No renovation to fund, no new tenants to find and screen, no lowball offers falling apart at inspection, no carrying costs draining away while it sat. The property he'd grown to resent was simply behind him. The result: Charles received cash for the property and walked away from landlord life without spending another dollar on a house he was done with. The relief wasn't just financial. It was the end of a chapter he'd been ready to close for a long time. Maybe Charles's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee landlords in all kinds of circumstances. A tenant-trashed rental, the repair and re-rent cycle you're done running, repairs you won't fund, a property you've grown to resent, any condition, or simply wanting out for good. If you're a tired landlord in Piney Flats or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is, no repairs, no hoops, no agent, a fair cash offer, and a clean exit on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.